After 9 hours of grinding on this hole, shower drain hole, I'm getting very close. I want this to go down level with the floor or a little bit below. And right now, that's probably about a 1/16 of an inch above. And the reason is, you can see this lip right here is hitting that lip, is hitting this brass nut. So I think if I cut that lip just a little bit, shave this down, lower it a little bit, I only need about a 1/16 of an inch, so getting close. So finally, after 11 hours of grinding on this shower drain hole, I was able to widen the hole so that I can now seat that drain cover assembly. And here's all the diamond wheels and grinding bits I went through in order to get it also to finally sit under flush with the floor. I removed this gasket that was in the assembly, which I don't really need. This gasket went right here. The reason is all this is going to be sealed, so if there's a leak here, I'll put some silicone on that thread, but if there's a leak there, it doesn't matter. Everything's going down the drain will be sealed all the way around. So finally got that guy in there. And then what I'm going to do is, I wanted that guy to be below it's right flush with the floor. So what I'm going to do, when I bring the tile, I'm going to get within about a 1/16 of an inch of that. So I'm going to color all the way around this drain. I'm going to color it black with like a marker or paint, and get the tile with about a 1/16 of an inch there, because I want to be able to pull this drain cover out if I need to run something down there. And when I do put the drain cover in after it's tile, I'm just going to put a bead of silicone in here. It'll seal it. But I can always just yank it out. And like I say, everything in here is going to be sealed. This right here, there's a gap all the way around here. So I'm going to fill it in with Bondo and seal everything around here with Red Guard. Go down the length of this tube down there. Seal that cast iron pipe with Red Guard. So 11 hours, making progress.